Ladies and gentlemen, part 2 XC60 Volvo. Changing the disc and pads. As you see, we covered the sensors with the fire blanket. You see that heat even burned the fire blanket. So what we did, we heat up the two bolts. These two bolts here. So if you see the tip of it, it was rusty, so stuck inside the carrier. Yeah. So anyway, we heat them up, we remove them. That's a new disc we're gonna put back. That's a new disc. It's the original disc from Volvo. You can buy from anywhere you want. But before to fit the disc, make sure you clean this part for future. Clean all these parts here, and make sure you lubricate all your sliders. Look, you just grease them up and check for the dust covers. There's not a split, otherwise the water gonna get inside and rust this channel. So make sure they're all working properly, and then put them back. Just wait, that's it, this went in. Yeah, you can get the kit online or from Volvo. That's it, you clean this one up. New disc, and don't forget the little bolt, retain bolt. It goes here to hold it to the hub. And then what you do, you feed the carrier over it, feed the pads, wind the pistons back, feed everything back. So maybe I get the last video clip, show you everything all together. Thanks for watching, bye.